Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Dell U2723QE with the BenQ PD2725U and what are the main differences between these two monitors, right? So when we are going to look here on the first thing, they are both IPS, they're both 27, but they're both same aspect ratio, but here the maximum brightness is also same. You have HDR support for BenQ, so this is huge. So if you're looking for the HDR, this is way to go. Contrast ratio is better for Dell, so this is another thing. And then when we're gonna go even further, color gamut is just a little bit different here by Dell. You have two HDMI for BenQ comparing to Dell. This is another thing. And then you are going to find that you have more USBs for the Dell. And power delivery is better for Dell also. Now, built-in speakers you have for BenQ, and that's pretty much it. So these are the main differences. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.